I'm gonna have to shut my computer down. Here's the desk. Alright, shut it down. Gay looking profile. Alright, go to sleep. Hey Bucky. Here's the 2 Raspberry Pis. Oh, there it goes again. Whew! It's windy! Alright, really dusty computer should be shutting off here in a second. Alright, it's off. I am going to shut these down soon. There we go again. It is so fucking windy outside. Excuse my language. Wow! Whoa! Holy sh! It's windy! Oh god. Wow. Well, I guess I'm gonna be expecting some broken trees today. Holy crap! What the See, there's any broken trees or anything. Nope, just a bunch of crap flying in the air. Let's go. Look at this. Ridiculous. Holy! This is fun. It is so windy out there. Wow. Alright, so power's completely out now. It's been enough times that the reclosure's tripped out, which means that I now have to shut the Raspberry Pis down. They can keep running. It's just I don't want them to. So schedule the Raspberry Pi 5 to shut down. It'll be shutting off in like a minute. This is the red one's the Raspberry Pi 5, the one below is the Raspberry Pi 4. Raspberry Pi 5 runs a couple Steam accounts on Archie and some trade bots. The Raspberry Pi 4 runs a SQL server and a pricer. Raspberry Pi 4 can stay running if I want it to. But I mean, I should probably schedule it to shut off too, to be honest. Scheduled power off at Jan 12th, 9:31. And it's currently 9:30. Alright, we're good. Peace.